Coastal District, be advised. We're receiving numerous reports of a 1050 suspect northbound near the Omega Power Station. All units in the vicinity, please respond.
Yeah, that's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3. Send me out some backup. Want to bring this guy down before he hurts somebody. There he is. I see him. Got him covered. Code 3.
1 April 22, please update situation.
Still on him. No change.
Yo. Yeah, it is I. Controversial IJ. Bobbies. Flatfoot. Po. Police. Many came and many went, but most of them all want to say for dollars are no sense. I common sense, I probably don't have none of that, and I them doing peace. Please move back and give me some elbow room, please. It's all because of greed. That is why you get stuck up in your own time for all of your cream or with your own burner, yo. And with your dumb friends started looking at the beast them when they came and took your way downtown for a ride. Who's don't really learn? A big bunch of soul learners, they all are driving around all day long. They stolen cars, the real nation talk to the pump, pulling screws until the summer pack upon arms. Laws was made to oppress us. Nubians and soul. That is why this man is showing no regards for the man's colonial laws, which was made to be broken, just like spells. Yo, I'm asking a lot of questions about his life, but it seems to me like no one on this earth's surface who really provide me with a proper form of answer. Worth all revolutionaries and freedom fighters. I'm with y'all in the 2Gs. Your government are more than greedy. Don't believe me, just listen up, G. They don't want to manufacture any currency, yo. Brazilians, they be crying out that they're broke. Now that is why they went and invent epidemics like AIDS and cancer, COPs in the next life. I know I won't see ya. So for now I have no choice but to whatever, because I don't like ya.
That's the sound of the police, them. Oh, 500. That's the sound of the police, them. Oh, 500. That's the sound of the police, them. Oh, 500. Put your hands up.
For real in reality, the system is only allowed to get we. The red-handed, guilty, blue-eyed, pistol man. Yes, to walk away free from a crime, while the innocent, dark-skin-colored man. Yes, official judge, which is ruder than judge. You in the 12-man jury with PKK mentality. A 7 execution is standing by to execute me. Mogi, gods of the earth, is getting colder on the outside. In these dirty streets where I'm presently residing. And as I continue to stick to your fools and getting older on both sides of me, inside and out. Tick-tock, are the sounds of my biological clock. A lot of local MCs be saying that they're gonna blow up the world like nuclear explosion, but I be saying that I would like to blow up just like a yo, each day what I'm facing, death's creeping up closer to my flesh life. It's all about mental elevation to a higher heights with 360 degrees of meditation, full innovation. Deep in my thought like global invasion. From a planet of killer Martians, from outer space, alien beings be walking with me and you, yo. You could accept it or call me crazy, I don't care. They're calling it Europe, boys and girls, and that is why I don't mix and I don't mingle. Because 99.9% of this world population out here is fully hypocritical, evil-minded, and double-sided. And every minute of the day they need to be reminded of who they're dealing with.
That's the sound of the police, them.